I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Affirm wallet is a straightforward process. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your wallet settings. Step 2. Navigate to Wallets. Once you're in the app, look for the Wallet option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Add Debit Card. In the Wallet section, find and tap on Add Debit Card. This will prompt you to enter your card details. Step 4. Enter card information. Fill in your debit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double-check the information to avoid any errors, as a typo can prevent the card from being added. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your card details, tap Save to finalize the addition. You should see a confirmation message if everything went smoothly. If you encounter any issues, make sure your card is not expired and that it is a debit card accepted by Affirm. Happy shopping!